Here we go, new inventory, 2013 Ford Econoline, HiTop Handicap wheelchair conversion. It is an Avenger conversion with leather, loaded, 43,000 original miles. Just came in, fully serviced, new tires. I mean, we did a full lift service. This has a Braun side entry UVL power wheelchair lift, 750-pound capacity. It has power side entry doors. It does have an easy lock. It does have Q-string tie downs in the back. Actually, these are shore lock tie down retractors. This is a bench seat that folds down into a bed. It does have all your lighting. The awesome feature about this van is that it has the roof completely open to the front seats. So if you are in a chair, you can drop right into the easy lock and walk right into the front if you want. Without a transfer seat, there's headroom there. This is an awesome van. It does have the expanded side entry doors. Again, 2013 Ford Econoline Handicap wheelchair conversion. Beautiful condition, no rust, clean Carfax, clean title. You know where to find us. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. We are a certified Braunability sales and service center. We sell the best vans in the world. Look us up. 5-star reviews. We can ship anywhere in the world. We've been in business 47 years. Give us a call, shoot us a text at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We're happy to help at any time. If you need any help with financing, shipping, we can ship this right to your doorstep without a problem. If you have questions, just let us know. We're more than happy to help. This is what we do. We take anything in trade. Doesn't have to be a handicap vehicle or a conversion van. It does have a tow package, backup camera. It has a full hardcore rubber floor, which is awesome for all weather. It does have a separate power inverter. It does have the magnetic tail light to operate the wheelchair lift as well. Power remote control for the wheelchair lift. It also has a wired pendant. Brand new tires, laser straight down the sides. I mean, it's a very nice van. The paint on the roof is perfect. Very, very nice. We will price this thing to sell, 43,000 miles. I'm going to run you through everything on the equipment. You get a good idea of what you're looking at. Don't hesitate to call or text us. Give us a like, give us a follow. We are happy to help anytime. Those tires brand new. See the frame, immaculate shape. No rust in the rockers. I mean, this thing is legit. Very nice, leather, loaded. It's got all your lighting, heated seats, extremely awesome headroom. Go, you have 43,571 miles. You got a big screen with a backup camera. Everything is working here, as you can see. You got all your nice LED lighting, infinity style, easy lock, your shore locks, power seats. Super low mileage. You can't find these anywhere. Nobody has them. They don't make them anymore. These are about the best vans you could ever get. Came to a full-size van. See the frame. Excellent shape. It's a Braun UVL. It is an undervan lift. I'll show you how it works. 5'10" and just about standing up inside of here. Got all your window shades here. They're in nice shape. Power inverter does power on. Just not much to say. This van's super nice, super clean. Here's your folding bench seat. It's manual. You just lift and pull, and that's how it goes back in place as well. A very nice van. Again, you have your wired pendant here to use. Also, you have your UVL remote. This lift just had a major service done. New circuit board. Give us a call at 954-561 2499. If you have any questions or concerns, more than happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Beautiful 2013 Ford Econoline, 43,000 original miles. Look at it, it's beautiful. It's not much for me to point out when it comes to flaws because there's just not much as far as in the paint and body. I mean, it's very, very nice on the outside. The interior is very nice. There's no dents, no damage. It's a non-smoker. I mean, seats, everything is very nice on this van. New tires, nothing to do. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. If you have any questions, buy this thing, get it shipped straight to you. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Come see us in Boca Raton, Florida. 954-561-2499. Thank you.